Hi, my name is Chloë Heuch and I'm here to tell you today about my new book that's out called A History of My Weird. So in this story, Mo, the main character, is just started high school. She feels like everyone in her new school is against her until she meets her new friend called Onyx. Together, they start to explore an abandoned Victorian asylum, and that leads to danger and disaster. It's a story about friendship and accepting difference. And I'm inspired to write it by the young people that I teach who I see with their struggles and their trials and tribulations. I am going to read you a very short extract. So this extract is just from the beginning of the story where Mo meets her new science teacher and they get into a bit of an argument about sharks. Mo! Mr. Jones' face is going red and shiny. He looks like a cross giraffe. Instead of scaring people, saying sharks are dangerous, you should spend your time telling students that driving to school is dangerous or crossing the road. Mr. Jones hits the desk with his palm. Outside, now! I blink at him. This does not sound like he's grateful. I don't know why I bother. This is why I don't do people. I never understand them.